Ng huling araw ng kampanya. The campaign has been very divisive and vicious. We have run a very hard-charging and spirited campaign. And now, silent majority at marami sa ating mga kababayan, yung mga undecided, ay kumikilos na patungo sa atin. But still, citizens of goodwill from all walks of life are worried. They are concerned that damage is already being done to our country and our democracy. Uncertainty and the specter of a dictatorship are looming over our country once again. The peso has dropped, affecting everything from the price of oil, medicines, steel, other imported goods. Investors are putting plans on hold. And after 6 years of the corrupt being on the run, we now face the possibility of a leader coming to power who cares nothing about honesty, integrity, transparency, responsibility, or even just basic decency. Sa harap ng lahat ng ito, responsibilidad ng sinumang nagnanais na mamuno ng ating bansa na pag-isipan ang interes ng pangkalahatan, pag-isipan ang pangangailangan ng ating bansa. Sa tingin ko naman, sang-ayon ng lahat, mas mahalaga ang kinabukasan ng ating bansa, kinabukasan ng ating mga kababayan, kaysa sa political career ng kahit sino mang politiko o kandidato. I call for unity, I call for decency, I call for democracy. I call for the rule of law. I call on Senator Grace po. Grace, mag-usap ka. I will adjust schedules to your convenience. Sabihin mo lang kung saan at kailan at darating ako. This is for unity, this is for our country, this is for our future.